Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the quick replies in WhatsApp Business. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to install the WhatsApp Business. You can easily download it from the Play Store. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see, the WhatsApp Business is here. And now we need to click on the three dot. And now simply we have to click on the business tool. So let's click on this. After that, as you can see here, we have to scroll. And after scrolling down, you will see the option quick replies. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the quick replies, as you can see, thank you for business, we look forward, this is by default added. So I'm going to click on this one, and for example I'm going to write the hello, and I'm going to write the message here, hey, how are you? If you want to add the media, simply you have to click on the media icon and you can select that. If you want to add the emojis, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and now you can select your emojis. And after that, simply what we need to do, we have to click on the save and it will be saved. So as you can see, now hello is saved. If you want to add another one, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the plus icon, and after that you have to write there again. For example, I'm going to write the bye here, and now here I'm going to write the best of luck. So as you can see, I have written this one, and now I'm going to click on the save, and let's click on this. So as you can see, now this is saved. So in this way you can add the quick replies in WhatsApp Business. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.